Hey guys, woo! It's Ed again on Junk. J-U-N-K. Ed Dudek. Hey man, uh, I'm gonna, I got some sandwiches from Walmart, so I'm going to uh, heat them up uh, in the microwave. I thought, hey, I wonder if they're any good. So I'll I will find out together, right? Um, and they're in the freezer, and there's two Tyson. I don't know if you can see this. Two Tyson, and these are. Oh man, hey, it's backwards. I don't know if these are the spicy ones. Nope, they're original. And here's the spicy ones. If you can read backwards, I'll figure that out later. How to correct it. But it's those two. And you know, I found this. These are the only two frozen ones they had, and these are the White Castle cheese. What is it? Chicken and cheese sliders. You know, they had sliders here, but it's probably the same chicken. You know, so I'm gonna pop these open, put them in the microwave, and see if they're any good, you know. And I also, if needed, I also cut up some cilantro, uh, some I don't know, what do you call these, mushrooms, I guess, and garlic. And luckily I didn't cut myself. I usually cut myself, and I gotta make sure that I watch that. Oh, some cilantro uh, and tomato over here. See? And I figured out how to merge videos. Um, I don't know if it's going to be available all the time. But hey, let me pop these in the microwave and get them all heated up, and we'll figure out. I don't know. We'll do it together. We'll figure out everything we need. If they don't taste good, to make them taste good, and if they still don't taste good, well, I guess I'll chunk them or give them. Probably wouldn't be good to give them to somebody. But all right. See you in a bit. All right. All right. I'm heating them up. I keep on looking at the bottom of my phone. I don't know why. I'm heating them up. Oh, there goes the microwave. This is just a patty. Instructions say heat the buns and the patty differently. One softer than the other. I don't know why they take it into account, but usually they just say pop it in the microwave, and whatever happens happens. But it's nice that they do that, and I'll kind of show you how I did a few things different, but hopefully it'll be for the best. All right. Be back in a bit. All right. Excuse me. We're gonna plate them up. we'll just use a regular plate here. So I'm gonna put you down so you can see what I'm doing. I think you can see here. Okay. So I ended up heating these about 2.5 minutes. They were all on the plate, and I put another paper plate on top of it so it wouldn't dry out, right? And this is a wet napkin. And I put cheese on the big ones. Cheese came with the small ones. They're pretty warm. I hope I don't burn myself. So I think total time, because I went 30 seconds, because I didn't want to dry them out, and they're pretty, I don't know. I haven't bit into them, but they seem like they're pretty tender, I guess. But we'll see. And I did get the buns, and I put these in the microwave. I put paper towels on them so they wouldn't dry out as much. But I'm kind of thinking I probably could have used some help in maybe toasting these and put them in either in the this oven I have here. Where's it? Oh yeah, this oven right here, or some sort of Beeville or something like that. And but we'll see how things go. Okay, so let's get the buns out. And I did 2 of these, thinking, well, maybe they wouldn't fill me up. I don't know. We'll see. So let's get these out. And shut the door of the microwave. Put these, I mean, they didn't come with anything, like, that's all they came with. So I'll take a bite of one, and let's see how it is. I guess they're pretty good if you're hungry. They're not bad. You know, a snack. But let's do this. I got some mayonnaise, or actually called salad dressing, I guess. Okay. Whoa. And let's put a little bit of mustard on it. Dress it up a little bit. A little bit of mustard and some onion. have a little bit of garlic with it. And a tomato. And a piece of lettuce. Let's see how this is. Ooh, it's all wanting to slide off. Yep. Better. That chicken is a little juicy. So the White Castle, doctor up for yourself, however you want, plain, lettuce, tomato, onion, garlic, whatever. For me, I had to dress it up a little bit. Pretty good though. Messy, very messy. Okay, I'm gonna doctor up the big ones and I'll be back. Sorry, I didn't want to doctor it up the first time. So let me, the buns, I don't know, they're kind of, they're bigger, but it's kind of a big bun. I don't know. Comment and let me know what you think, but I think it's a big bun. Okay. You see how big that top one is? Spicy one's pretty good. Nice heat to it. It's a tad bit dry. I think it has something to do with that big old bun. Let me dress it up a bit, and then we'll come back. Alright, got it dressed up here. Put all that stuff on it. It's pretty thick. Tomato, garlic, onion, lettuce, mustard, mayonnaise. So let's see if I can put my mouth around it. Nice. Really nice. Doctoring them up like this pays off. You really enjoy it. Otherwise, a little bit dry. The chicken is, I don't know, seems kind of juicy. Maybe the cheese and or the bread and the mayonnaise helped it, you know. But I would doctor them up. Man, that's good. The garlic. Just really good. Brings a lot more flavor profile to it. Big old chunk of garlic. The heat to me is not too bad. Whoa. I think you'll like it. Wouldn't do me any good to eat that one. Well, I'm gonna eat it, but it's probably gonna taste the same, just without the heat. But I'll eat it, and the tea with it. Oh, I almost forgot. I have something better than tea. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. That hit the spot, man. But both the sandwiches, the Tyson, the White Castle, it almost seemed like they came from the same place, because the shape on this plate, if you noticed it, they were about the same shape. And I don't know, it's hard to tell anymore. I'm sure they came from probably the same place, you know. And hey, I got the phone off without stopping the video. Hey, I'm looking outside and it looks like it's going to rain. God, I wish I get to keep this place. Unfinished business. I wanted to take take all this deck out and extend the patio down towards the end of the house and and make it a really nice area where make the cover go all the way down. So it's a nice big porch, and got to replace the fence. There's a tree on the side, needs to be cut down, but since I don't even know if I'm going to be in the place. So just hope for the best, and yeah, it just looks like it's going to rain. You see here? Yeah, I don't know. Let's go take a look outside. Oh! Ooh, it's kind of cool out, huh? Yeah. Oh, there's a tree that needs to be cut down. And I want to do something out here. Like put nice concrete out here. So we can sit out, enjoy. Well, I say we. Right now it's just me. That's where I sleep for the last, I don't know, what, 6 months? 9 months or 8 months. It's a nice place. It's not too big, not too small. It's about just right. Electricity bills and stuff are down. But hey, I guess that concludes this video of the tasting. And I'm going to eat these sandwiches and probably take a nap. And need to get a haircut sometime or another. But hey, you guys take care. Don't forget your purpose, purpose you're here, the purpose you're surviving. Never give up, man. Excuse me. Never give up. Keep fighting. You fight for what's right. Don't go off the deep end or anything, but fight for yourself, And sometimes you have to retreat. Just don't forget that purpose. I love you guys. Take care and have a good day. Bye-bye. Hey, forgot one thing. Dessert. And it's coming soon, man. Dessert is coming soon. I seen this at Walmart. I had to get it. It's a skewer of Peeps. Oh my God. Awesome. I probably really shouldn't be eating this, but hey, I don't eat a lot of this stuff. Plus, peeps, one of my favorites for indulgence. I don't know. However you say that word. Nice. Very nice. It's all gone. Just in time for Easter. You ever walk down the aisle when they have like Easter and Halloween and you walk down the aisle? What do they call it? Seasonal aisle? You walk down the aisle and you can just smell that chocolate. I just walk down it just to smell the aisle. I don't buy a lot of that stuff anymore. But nice, very nice. I keep looking at the bottom of my camera. I don't know why. But hey, it was kind of a special treat for me. So I wanted to share it with you. And you guys take care. Please don't ever forget that purpose and never give up. All right? Love you guys. Bye. Hey guys. Woo! It's Ed again on Junk. J-U-N-K. Ed Dudek. Hey man, I got some sandwiches from Walmart, so I'm going to heat them up in the microwave. I thought, hey, I wonder if they're any good. So I will find out together, right? They're in the freezer, and there's two Tyson. I don't know if you can see this. Two Tyson, and these are, oh man, hey, it's backwards. I don't know if these are the spicy ones. No, they're original. And here's the spicy ones. If you can read backwards, I'll figure that out later. How to correct it. But it's those two. And I found this. These are the only two frozen ones they had, and these are the White Castle cheese. What is it? Chicken and cheese sliders. they had sliders here, but it's probably the same chicken, you know. So I'm gonna pop these open, put them in the microwave, and see if they're any good, you know. And I also, if needed, I also cut up some cilantro, some I don't know, what do you call these? Mushrooms, I guess, and garlic. And luckily I didn't cut myself. I usually cut myself, and I gotta make sure that I watch that. Oh, some cilantro, and tomato over here. See? And I figured out how to merge videos. I don't know if it's going to be available all the time. But hey, let me pop these in the microwave and get them all heated up, and we'll figure out, I don't know. We'll do it together. We'll figure out everything we need. If they don't taste good, to make them taste good. And if they still don't taste good, well, I guess I'll chunk them or give them. Probably wouldn't be good to give them to somebody. But all right, see you in a bit. All right.